guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we are not in the camper this weekend, we're on a boat. And we're heading over to Kelley's Island for the day.
Here we are.
Starting to go.
We're going. Hopefully you can hear us.
Yeah. We haven't been camping for the last couple weekends, so we decided to just get out for the day. We're going a little stir crazy.
Yeah.
So we're taking our electric e-bikes and we're heading over to the island, which we haven't been here in, I don't know, 25 years.
Yeah, I was just going to say 25 years.
Yeah.
We camped here well before kids, tent camped.
Yeah.
We were pretty young. Yeah.
Looking forward. It's going to be a hot day.
Yeah.
Probably the
hot.
hottest of the summer so far. 92 and humid. So we picked a good one. But yeah, excited to see what's over there. We haven't, like I said, we haven't been there a long time, so I don't even know what's there anymore.
Yeah, we definitely know it's been built up a lot.
Yeah.
When we were there, I mean, there was literally like nothing. Like, I don't even know if there were any shops or anything. I feel like there was one restaurant, bar. Nothing. I know they've redone the glacier grooves. They've completely redone that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to find an old picture of that to throw in.
Go check out the campground because we do want to camp here eventually.
Yeah.
So we'll check that out. We'll do a little ride through on that so you guys can see the campground. Other than that, we'll see you when we get over on the other side.
Yeah, looking forward to enjoying our day.
Yep.
Hot one. We go around here. Where we're just leaving from. Over there. Heading all the way across. Alright, catch up with you later.
Let's go out where we wander the depths of our dreams, where the stars shine as far as we can see, where the sun paints the sea. Ocean breeze, waters deep, come with me. All we need is you and me, and we.
Alright, so we made it. We are here at a little beach that we found. It's just a quick little ferry ride over, and actually you can kind of see the ferries in the background right there. Quick
Say
little,
about 20 minutes?
yeah. It's a quick little tip though. They do charge $15 to park in their parking lot. There's a public parking area right next door that's free. Just kind of on the other side of the conveyor belt. They use the little chips. It's just a quick little walk over. We got our bike, so it's easy for us.
Yeah, not bad. The public parking lot was small, so if you're gonna do it, but we were here, we came in, it's 9 o'clock Sunday morning ferry, so not bad at all. Hardly any people on the ferry, handful of cars.
Everybody's going the other way though.
Yeah, they're all leaving. I should have got a picture of that, of all the lines of everybody in campers and everybody heading out.
Everybody hung over.
Yeah, not as bad as heading home from Hut Bay, but I'm sure just as fun here. So we're looking forward. We're ready to go explore.
Yep, we're gonna hit the bikes and we'll be fine.
Catch you later.
Where the sun paints the sea. want sunshine, islands and beaches, where no one has been, no magazine has told all its secrets. I feel the cold around the bend, thermometer starting to descend. Are you with me? I said, are you with me? If we leave now, we'll get away before these old bones, they start to ache. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? Let's escape this storm. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let the rain in pour. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Somewhere warm. I want palm trees, want cool breeze.
So we're gonna stop over here at the sand trap, see if we can find something cool to drink. Outdoor tiki bar.
Woo! With live music.
And pirates.
Together, I feel the cold around the bend, thermometer starting to descend. Are you with me? I said, are you with me? If we leave now, we'll get away before these old bones, they start to ache. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? Let's escape this storm. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let the rain in pour. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Somewhere warm. White sand under blue skies. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? Shake hands with the sunrise. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? White sand under blue skies. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? Shake hands with the sunrise. Are you with me? Said, are you with me? Let's escape this storm. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let the rain in pour. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let's escape this storm. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Let the rain in pour. We'll run all night till we're somewhere warm. Somewhere warm.
It's a party on the North Coast. Everybody raise a toast. All drink, we're all making the most. It's a party on the North Coast. Here on the North Coast. In the summertime, it's the place to be feeling fine. The weather's good, at least this time of year. Real good times, yeah, they're always here.
All right, so we just had lunch here at West Bay. Had walleye sandwich, some nachos, saw some pirates.
Again.
Again.
Seem to run into them. What did we have? We just a couple drinks and some lunch and cool place, fun. They had a guy playing music outside. Nice inside too, big and a little cooler, but you know, we sat outside. Yeah.
Back to the bikes.
Back to the bikes. But let me show you this first. They do have a really cool lake view here. And of course you got your Lake Erie Love sign. So lots of boat docks here.
Some rum with a twist and lime. Might even start a big conga line. 'Cause 'cause it's a party on the North Coast. Everybody raise a toast, all drink, we're all making the most. It's a party on the North Coast. Sunshine, good times, blue skies and the water's fine. Spend the day, you will see, North Coast is the place to be. Old Key West, so far away, but here at Key North, it's an easy getaway. We got our own version of island time. Summer sun, good friends, yeah, we're all feeling fine. 'Cause it's a party on the North Coast. Everybody raise a toast, all drink, we're all making the most. It's a party on the North Coast. Yeah, it's a party on the North Coast. Everybody raise a toast, all drink, we're all making the most. It's a party on the North Coast. Yeah, we're all making the most. But it's a party on the North Coast.
Daddy's truck. Climb out your bedroom window and I'll pick you up. And we'll drive southbound down Highway 1 with the windows down and the tunes turned up. Stealing stop sign kisses as the rising sun shines light on a brand new day. Don't know where we're headed to, but I know we'll make it through. Yeah, it's you and it's me playing dashboard.
Well, it was a very warm day today.
If you can't tell, we look a little rough.
little pooped. We biked about 15 miles. I don't remember this island being this big.
I just don't remember seeing this much. I know we had our bikes with us when we camped, but
We didn't explore.
I don't know. I don't think we were probably just here for a weekend and probably just didn't explore. Probably just enjoyed the campground mostly and the beach over there. But yeah, it was neat. The quarries that we saw, horseshoe
Inscription rock right behind us here.
Yeah.
Native American Indians, 300-400 years ago, scribbled some stuff in there. Maybe it's graffiti from them. I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's
yeah.
neat. You can still see some of it. You know, not clearly, but you can still see that there's some there.
We did a little shopping. I got a T-shirt. Not a Bigfoot T-shirt.
Pirate.
Oh,
Since
yeah.
we saw the pirates
Yes,
today.
there's pirates and witches here today.
Yeah.
What else? Well, we checked out some of these tiki bars and had some cocktails and
Wayside? Bayside? I don't remember
West
the
Bay?
name. West Bay?
West Bay.
I don't know. I could be totally off. We didn't even drink that much. Only a couple. I think
Yeah.
the heat's getting to us
Yeah,
though.
it's fried my brain.
Crazy.
Yeah.
But you know, we really enjoyed the day, touring around a little bit the island, exploring. It's kind of fun. Like I feel like we've gone to Put in Bay so much, like we know that island like the back of our hand. So it was fun to explore like something different.
Yeah.
Hopefully, you know, you get to see and get the feel for it a little bit.
And this island's definitely way more laid back than Put in Bay.
It's so laid back, and there's so much more woods. Like the state parks all over.
Yeah, they've done a nice job with that.
What are they called?
Preserves
all over the place. Yeah, they've done
And
a really nice job.
there was a
keeping
bunch
that
of
up.
trails and stuff that we didn't hike. There's some other, like ponds and stuff we didn't just.
They say the horseshoe.
We saw the horseshoe quarry pond.
There's another quarry we saw. I don't know the name of that one. I kept seeing North Pond somewhere, so maybe that was the North Pond we saw.
Yeah, hey, there's more to come back and see next time.
Yeah, for sure. Looking forward to camping here.
Yes. Yeah, make sure you keep an eye out for that video of the ride through. I'll link that. Maybe
Get that
somewhere
up.
here.
Yeah. the state park looked really nice. The sites, I was surprised because they were bigger than I expected. You know, you feel like, oh, they're going to jam as many in as they can, but they were decent size and a lot of nice sites.
And the campground was bigger than I remember it being too.
Yeah.
All the sites though that are right on the water are primitive, but right on the other side of the street they have electric.
Yeah.
So, nice campground. Definitely want to come back for that.
Yeah. A lot of history here, the buildings, a lot of neat architecture, the old houses.
We stopped at the local cemetery.
Yeah,
There's
the
a lot
cemetery.
of, you know,
A lot of Kelleys.
Yeah, a lot of people that died in the early 1900s, just, you know, born in the 1800s that lived here.
Yeah, that was neat.
I'm tired.
Tired and hot.
Yeah.
So I guess, yeah, you know, I hope you guys like it and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications, and we will catch up with you next time. So as always, keep it safe in your travels.
Between the mustard and the mayo. Hi.